आज है इंटरनेशनल गर्लफ्रेंड्स डे और कहा जाता है कि आज के दिन अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट देना चाहिए। अब देखो, हमारी रिलेशनशिप में गर्लफ्रेंड हूँ मैं और मैं डिज़र्व करता हूँ एकदम स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट। सो कुछ ही देर पहले जब मैं घर पे था, शेफाली ने मुझे फ़ोन किया और कहा कि अल्ले मेरा सोना बाबू, मेरा टेडी बेयर, तू कहाँ है, क्या कर रहा है, आजा तुझे अपने खुद के पैसे से ट्रीट देती हूँ। तो भाई ट्रीट का नाम सुनते ही मैं फटाफट सज धज के एकदम गुड़िया बन चुका हूँ एंड अभी आ चुका हूँ अपने प्रिंसेस ट्रीटमेंट के लिए। सो शेफाली, आर यू रेडी टू बी माई बॉयफ्रेंड फॉर अ डे?
Yeah, I am.
She got me flowers, guys. Pink color flowers.
Treatment.
Yeah, princess treatment A++. I don't want to lift a finger today. Why am I holding the flowers? I don't want to lift a finger today. I want princess treatment full.
No, girls like to hold flowers.
Oh,
no?
girls
It
like-
matches their outfit.
So chalo, what do you have planned for me?
I have a dinner date planned for you.
Chalo, so we've arrived at our restaurant. This is Olive Beach. This is where Shefali's made a booking for us. और guys, girlfriend day के अलावा आज है शेफाली का सैलरी डे भी। ठीक है, today is the first of the month and she just got a bonus also. तो भाई कमा ये रही है, उड़ा मैं रहा हूँ. I am living the life. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
She's happy spending money on me. Guys, find yourself a Shefali.
Just once, huh? Just once.
Oh, just once. Guys, this is the menu at Olive. As you can tell, it's very pricey. I don't know why she chose this place. I guess she wants to spoil me today.
Because you love this place. No, he really likes this place.
I do. I actually do like this place for a fine dine dinner. But yeah, it is a very pricey place, you know. 1,000 rupees, 1,500 rupees per item, which only somebody like Shefali can afford because she's got a bonus today. What are you going to do with that bonus?
I will go on a trip. Alone I'll go.
Alone you'll go?
Yeah.
You think you have it in you to do a solo trip?
Yes. With you in it.
Solo trip with me. As always, we've gotten a Diet Coke, but because I don't want to lift a finger today, Shefali is going to open it for me. Thank you, ma'am.
If I break a nail,
Oh yeah, please don't break your nail, huh? This place is like a proper candlelit kind of place, you know. She chose the most dressy, the most expensive place to treat me, so thank you so much, huh?
yeah, so that you can't complain for the rest of the year.
Rest of the year?
Yeah.
So what, till December you won't treat me again?
No.
Even if you get another bonus. If you get a bonus and I don't get at least half of it, no. Yeah, what? It's boyfriend tax. Or whatever, girlfriend tax. जब आप 1,000 rupees per dish पे करते हो तो bread free मिलता है. I love being the girlfriend, man. Maybe I should have 5 more relationships in which I can be the girlfriend.
I'll go now. Bye.
Please don't go. Pay the bill and go. Thank you so much. You know, the waiters always serve the women first. And today they served me first. So literally I am getting 10 on 10 girlfriend experience today. And if you guys are wondering how I'm eating so much and not gaining weight, well, I am gaining weight, okay? It's not that I'm not gaining, but it's in a very controlled fashion. I'm not gaining more than, say, 1 kg per month. I'm still around 81, which is nothing. I can bulk up to 90 kgs and still look pretty decent. But you know the problem? The second I lose this jawline, na, I just know my Instagram comments will start shitting on me. कि और मोहित भाई आ गया स्वाद. Now this is my favorite dish at Olive, which is a clay roasted chicken, basically tandoori chicken, and they serve it on that skewer. Please taste first. Oh my god.
Oh my god, try it with that dip. It's even better.
Chef, this is definition of 10 on 10.
Lovely.
10 on 10?
Easily, bro. 10 on 10.
I guess when Shefali is paying, it tastes 1,000 on 10, not just a 10 on 10. It is so fucking good. But that one dish is like 1,000 rupees. भाई मैंने सिर्फ 2 ही आइटम खा के बिल मंगवा लिया है because I didn't want her to pay too much also. This is very expensive and these are places that I like to pay for. So just 2 items, 1 Diet Coke, and we are heading out now to a bit more affordable place. Usually we never do this, huh? You guys have seen me eat 10,000 हज़ार के बिल बनते हैं, but today she is paying and I don't want her to go broke because if she goes broke then मेरा दिमाग खाएगी. देख रहे हो guys, exact 2,000 के बिल पे मैंने रोक दिया. मैं नहीं चाहता कि ये इससे ज़्यादा पे करे. Now guys, we were thinking where to go after Olive that won't cost a bomb because I don't want to burden her wallet, right?
Oh, I'm paying again.
You are paying for this also. Hello, you promised one full day. So of course we've come to Empire, the one place where you can go and leave happy, satisfied without a hole in your pocket. भाई Empire में आ चुके हैं and I have ordered my standard half grilled chicken, 2 tandoori roti, and 1 egg masala. This will all put together cost me less than 1,000 rupees. Not me, cost Shefali less than 1,000 rupees, and she's yawning. Okay? It's hard being the boyfriend, right? It's hard being the man.
Hard work, bro.
I do it every day.
I don't want to do it anymore.
You know, unlike you, I'm not a complaining girlfriend. I'm a understanding, cooperative girlfriend.
Yeah, he's just a complaining boyfriend.
देख लो भाई, this is the goated order. Half grilled chicken, egg curry, tandoori roti. Let's send it.
Let's go.
Sir, you have to serve because I'm the girlfriend. Nicely put, huh? Because I want good treatment, good food. The egg curry today is a bit thicker than usual. Do you think it'll taste better?
Yeah, I think it'll taste the same.
Bobbies, first we try the egg curry and just the roti. It is different today. Better different.
Yeah, it is different. Spicy, bro.
I like that. I feel like putting half biryani rice also. Just mental craving is there. But if I stop here, my quota for the day will only be 3,000 calories. So I will still be at a slight deficit. Crazy, na? 3,000 calories is also a deficit for me. All because of my steps. Guys, I fell into the craving. मैंने बिरयानी मंगा ही ली. What to do? Princess treatment, shouldn't think twice, right? You want some? She's not taking, so I'm gonna eat all of it myself. And it smells really good, huh? This and some egg masala. Goated. Fucking love it, bro. Honestly, you can never go wrong with Empire. It's not phenomenally good, but also it's never bad. And it's very, very affordable. You know, everything at Empire is good, except for the shawarma. The shawarma has gone to shit lately, right?
It was always shit.
Bro, I remember in 2016 and all, it was decent.
A white color shawarma can never be good, guys. Never.
भाई साहब देख रहे हो, only 655 rupees. Are you happy? Huh? Gave you a value deal when you wanted to treat me. Bro, you won't find a better guy than me.
Still, 3,000 bucks, bro. Not less or anything.
I mean, it's not a lot. Considering you took me to Olive, had I eaten one full meal there, it would be 5,000.
Yeah.
Bro, Go Zero packaging has changed. I guess when Shefali buys me stuff, everything changes. The universe spins in the different direction when Shefali starts paying.
Oh, is this hazelnut?
Yeah, chalo open.
You ordered hazelnut?
I didn't order, Akka. You ordered for me. I'll open it without even tearing.
3, 2, 1.
Here you go, sir. Guys, Go Zero, one of the greatest inventions of 21st century. Cheers.